How to do Luma Fade Effect. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline and I would like to create a Luma Fade transition for them. First, drag your second video above your first video. Then go to Effects panel and search for Gradient Wipe. Drag and drop Gradient Wipe effect that is under Video Effects and not under Video Transitions into your top video. With your top video selected, go to Effect Controls. Now place the playhead at the start of your clip and set transition completion to 100 and click on stopwatch to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little bit forward and set transition completion to 0 to create the second keyframe. Now we have this transition between clips. Click on Invert Gradient and make sure it is checked. You can decrease the distance between keyframes to speed up the transition. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.